and myself Shivapriya. Today is National Sports Day. National Sports Day is observed on 29th August every year. National Sports Day every year is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. National Sports Day also stresses the need to stay fit and healthy. The main objective of National Sports Day is to spread awareness of the importance of sports and daily activities in every individual's life. Let us know the history of National Sports Day. National Sports Day is also known as the Rashtriya Khel Divas. The day was first inducted into the list of celebratory days in the year 2012. National Sports Day is the center of attraction for ardent sports lovers of the country. Dhyan Chand Singh is popularly known as a wizard of Indian hockey. He was born on 29th August 1905 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. He was regarded as a prodigy in the field of hockey. He has secured over 400 international goals and 1,000 goals in his entire career in 22 years during the period of from 1926 to 1948. Dhyan Chand is regarded as India's greatest hockey player ever. He has led India to 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. By winning the Olympic gold medal on 3 occasions and marked his position in the pages of history. During the 1936 Berlin Olympics, in the outset of World War II, Adolf Hitler was visibly impressed by seeing this hockey ke jadugar, meaning wizard at play. Hitler was overwhelmed by Dhyan's performance and he decided to buy Dhyan's hockey stick out of admiration for the 3-time Olympic gold medalist. On the National Sports Day, the President of India gives out all sport-related awards like the Arjuna, Dronacharya and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna to honor sportspersons and coaches who had made the nation proud of their service in their respective sports.